All right, let's look at problem 7. 5n minus 4 equals 2n plus 2. I want to get all variables on one side, all numbers on the other. So I'm going to start by getting my variables together. That's what I like to do. So I see 5n, I see 2n. I'm going to move the smaller, so I'm going to move the 2n. So I'm going to subtract it from the right side, which means I have to subtract it from the left. 5n minus 2n is 3n. Minus the number 4 equals, that goes away on the right side of the equal. I'm left with the number 2. So I've gotten all my variables moved to the one side. So I need to move the numbers over to the other. So how do I get rid of subtracting 4? I add 4 to move it over to the other side to be with its other number, which is 2. This goes away. I'm left with 3n equals 6. Now I do what? Well, let's see. You're multiplying n by 3, so you got to undo that by dividing by 3. Divide both sides by 3, I get, hey, n must be 2 in that equation to make it true. Well, let's check. 5 times 2 minus 4, does that equal 2 times 2 plus 2? Well, 10 minus 4 is 6. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2, 6. Yes, we know we have the right answer. Number 8, 9n minus 4 equals 10n minus 14. Let's move all our variables to one side. You have 9n on the left, you have 10n on the right. I like to move the smaller variable. So I'm going to subtract 9n from both sides of the equation. That goes away. 0 minus 4 is negative 4 on the left of the equal sign. On the right, I have a single 1n, which is just n, just like you say I have a dog. You don't say I have one dog. So we have an n minus 14. Now what do I need to do? Well, okay, I got n, the variable, by itself over on the right. So I need to move this 14 off of this side over to be with its buddy. That goes away. I'm left with n equals negative 4, gain 14 back. You got positive 10. N is positive 10. I don't even have to divide here. I already have the answer. Let's check it out. Does 9 times n, which is 10 we've discovered, minus 4 equal 10 times the n value of 10 minus 14? 9 times 10 is 90. 90 minus 4 is 86. 10 times 10 is 100. 100 minus 14, 86. Yes, we are correct. Number 9, 3n plus 10 equals 5n plus 2. Let's move the variable. Who's easier to move, 5n's or 3n's? 3n's is. So I'm going to subtract 3n's from both sides of the equation. Goes away. 0 plus 10 is 10. 5n minus 3n is 2n plus the number 2. I now say, hey, I got all my variables over there on the right side of the equal. Great. So I need to get that number off that side. So I move the number 2 off that side by subtracting it. But if I subtract it on the right side of the equal, you have to do it on the left side of the equal. Gives me 8 is equal to 2n, because that's a big 0. And now how do we undo this multiplying by 2? We divide by 2. And we end up getting n equals 4. Let's double check that we're correct. 3 times 4 plus 10, does that equal 5 times 4 plus 2? 12 and 10 is 22. 20 and 22. We are correct. And there's problems 7, 8, and 9. I hope it helped you.